So from Katha to content power, the Ministry of Information Broadcasting has come up with Chronicles of India's storytelling art to the development of orange economy in its Republic Day tableau. Bharat Gatha presents a powerful visual narrative of India's civilizational journey in storytelling. From ancient oral traditions to its emergence as a global content and media powerhouse, the tableau reflects the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat, seamlessly blending cultural heritage with technological innovation.
India has a long tradition of storytelling, not from now, it's a timeless tradition. So if you think of it, earlier it was Shruti, Sunne ka, listening. By listening, that was how the oral tradition passed. The storytelling was all about oral tradition. Later it became Kriti, Likhna. So the first written script, as we believe, it was when Ved Vyas told the story of Mahabharata, and Sri Ganesh, he wrote it. So that was again a Kriti, Likhne ka tradition. That later how newspaper involved, how the leaflets, people wrote on the leaflets, Tamra Patra, and how later again it evolved into radio, the audio tradition, the Drishti tradition. Then the television came, then the AI came, and finally it was Waves, which was a futuristic vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to say how India's tradition has evolved into a futuristic journey and how India is marching forwards in this area.
So Bharat Gatha, the tableau, is a blend of India's history and infotainment. Lead India's Vishal Barrister spoke with the representative of the tableau designing team, Suchitra.
Newspaper, radio, television, and finally box office. Yes, we are talking about Bharat Gatha, and this is the tableau of INB Ministry, and I am with Suchitra. Her team has conceptualized and designed this tableau. So what is the concept behind this tableau?
The story is about Indian storytelling evolution, how it started when Guru Shishya used to sit beneath a tree and exchange stories, to a Mahabharata being told by Vyasji to Ganeshji in a written form, and then came the evolution of the satellite, where television, radio came into the picture, and then we can show you the box office, where now Indian storytelling is being told globally and shown globally. So we are representing the Indian storytelling stage to the global world at the Republic Parade.
You have Raj Kapoor and Nargis Dutt. So what does it depict?
So it's one of the cult movie that everybody can see, and he's one of the greatest Indian storytelling master of the era from the Bollywood had started. So we wanted him to be present on this stage today.
So there you heard, it's a complete saga of news and entertainment, what we call infotainment. With cameraman Bhim in Delhi, this is Vishal Barrister for DD India.